When Boulder City police served a search warrant looking for evidence of a murder, they stumbled on evidence of an alleged drug operation which led to felony charges. All of this in the wake of my investigation, which is now cited in official records that allege missteps by Boulder City police may have allowed a man to avoid a murder charge. Every Memorial Day weekend, friends and family ride to mark the loss of a loved one. Scott Dingman, shot to death in the street on May 31st, 2021, by a man he called a friend, John Powell, or J.P. Morgan III.
Did you do the shooting? Who did the shooting?
I did.
Morgan, whose left hand is seen in photo evidence from the case tattooed with the words, "Your throat here," claimed he shot Scott in self-defense. Boulder City police closed the case without filing charges, but as we reported and new documents now claim, their initial investigation was marred by failures.
When dealing with the police department, I was just trying to get answers and nothing made sense.
After Scott's widow, Ashley Dingman, reached out to 13 Investigates.
And this is Scott leaving the house.
That's him leaving the house, yeah.
We embarked on a year-long investigation, reviewing hours of body camera footage, dozens of documents.
Might have been the most important investigation of his career.
And interviewing law enforcement experts, including Wade Seacatz.
It's unacceptable. That level of investigative work is absolutely unacceptable on any crime.
And Jamie Borden, who Ashley hired to review the case.
The deeper I got into this case, the more mistakes I saw.
After we began our investigation in 2025, Boulder City Police reopened the case. After that happened, we learned that 3 people involved in the initial case retired: Detective Mark Dubois, Officer Scott Pastore, and Ruby Perkins, the records department manager who we previously reported was suspected of leaking information about the investigation to the Morgan family. On September 23rd, Perkins received this notice from Boulder City Police Chief Tim Shea, placing her on paid administrative leave, effective immediately and until further notice. The department tells me she retired in February after being on leave for 5 months. I reached Dubois, Pastore, and Perkins by phone. None agreed to go on camera. All maintain they did nothing wrong. We've also learned new details about the drug charges against J.P. Morgan. He was indicted in February for possession of cocaine with intent to sell and maintaining an illegal dwelling, meaning he was using his Boulder City home to sell drugs, according to police. We now have police evidence photos that show what investigators determined to be more than 25 grams of cocaine, along with a spoon, a glass mortar and pestle, digital scale, and multiple plastic baggies. In grand jury testimony, police also noted that on the desk with the drugs, they found an appointment slip for a passport, multiple passport photos, Morgan's car registration, and his birth certificate. According to court records, police also seized 40 guns from Morgan's home, including 21 handguns and 19 rifles, which Morgan is fighting in court to get back. He's currently out of jail on $19,000 bail. 13 Investigates was there for his arraignment in March.
What is your true full name?
John Powell.
As to the charges set forth in the indictment, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Boulder City Police Sergeant Chris Slack sought the search warrant in connection with Scott's death after hearing from an informant, JP's ex-girlfriend, Shirley Seacatz, who goes by Christy. If that last name sounds familiar, it's because Christy is the ex-wife of Wade Seacatz, a consultant on this case who is in a relationship and living with Scott's widow, Ashley. After Christy moved out of state, she filed a police report in Texas in 2024 saying she saw evidence that JP intended to kill Scott and believes it was a murder, and she's afraid that she'll be targeted because she's aware of this. She later told Boulder City Police that JP had shown her several videos from the night of the shooting captured from security cameras throughout his residence. The search warrant application says Christy also recalled that while looking at some of the videos, JP laughed while insulting the police department investigators for not reviewing or collecting the videos as evidence at the time of the investigation. In the search warrant affidavit, Sergeant Slack cites probable cause that evidence of a murder allegedly committed on May 31st, 2021 would be found.
This is a homicide where a man has lost his life. It deserves a full and complete investigation.
Court records show Sergeant Slack developed serious concerns that important investigative steps were overlooked throughout the prior investigation, which may have led to a false conclusion. Slack's search warrant application points out some of the very things that the experts in our reports zeroed in on.
That was Scott Dingman's wallet that was just removed from the suspect's left rear pocket.
In court records from the drug case, prosecutor Chase Christensen points out the victim's wallet in the shooter's pocket, as well as other flaws in the initial murder investigation. Citing our reporting, he notes officers found Mr. Dingman's money clip and a 9mm bullet in defendant's pants pockets. For unknown reasons, investigating detectives failed to note that those items were found in defendant's pockets and instead noted them being found in the street nearby, where the first arriving officer had tossed them after a search incident to arrest. In the search warrant application, Sergeant Slack notes several other things we reported. He wrote, JP provided several different statements or accounts of what transpired during the incident which resulted in the shooting, and none of those inconsistencies and different stories appeared to be followed up on or questioned.
911, the address of the emergency.
Slack also notes that police failed to question Mike Henn, the eyewitness who called 911. Henn died in late 2025 after an apparent medical episode. Here's his 911 call from the night of the shooting.
Somebody just got shot.
Did you see who did it?
I did. I saw everything.
Henn told police he witnessed what he believed was a murder.
Where did the person who did the shooting, where'd they go?
Going into the house. I'm afraid the man, he still has his gun.
In the search warrant application, Slack says body camera footage shows only one gun at the scene, Scott's gun, with JP's later found inside the house. Slack adds that during the initial investigation, a detective scrubbed through a video, seeing only a portion that showed JP enter the home and, with his back to the camera, manipulate something and then grab something off the counter. There was no mention the video was recovered and booked into evidence.
All of this evidence was left on the table.
In the renewed homicide investigation while serving the search warrant, Boulder City Police seized 4 laptops, 2 external hard drives, multiple flash drives, and memory cards. JP has alleged that the search warrant is defective. An evidentiary hearing on that is scheduled for the end of May. JP's attorney, Louis Schneider, is trying to get the judge in the drug case to invalidate the search warrant, as well as all the evidence police obtained in JP's house.
Morgan's lawyer did not respond to my request for comment for this story, but has previously declined due to the open criminal investigation. At that upcoming hearing on the search warrant in the drug case, the judge's decision could also impact the ongoing murder investigation. We're following it all very closely as our reporting continues. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.